I'm going to be helping you discover if you are planning the right way, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to address the biggest misconception there is in the planner world. There is no right way to plan. You can plan any way that you want to, any way that helps keep you organized, or not even organized. Maybe you just want to plan to have fun. You can plan whatever way you want to, and that is your right way. Now, some of these things that I'm going to tell you may trigger some people, and that's okay. If it bothers you, you don't do those things. But if that works for you, then feel free to do it because it's your planner and you can do what you want. You can tear pages out. You can leave pages blank. You can not use some pages or some sections. You can add extra pages. You can decorate the wrong way. You can skip a week. You can go back and decorate, or you can go forward and decorate. You can take the rings out of your ring planner and turn it into a traveler's notebook with elastics. You can put one planner inside of another planner. You can replace discs. You can crack spines, and you can open the rings by pulling on the rings. Now, I've had my knuckles wrapped a few times for that one. I don't use rings that much, so the few times that I do that, it really doesn't make a difference. Plus, it really doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, then open the rings from the top. Do what works for you. Do what's fun for you. Do what makes you happy. Let me know in the comments below what you do that's considered the wrong way that actually works for you. Do you pull your rings open? Do you skip weeks? Let us know in the comments below so other people can see that they're not alone and they're allowed to do these things as well. Maybe one of these ideas will let you know that you can do things differently, and it might be an idea that makes planning a little bit easier for you. Remember, there is no wrong way to plan, so be kind in the comments. In this video here, you can see me planning the wrong way. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, but don't forget to subscribe. I'm here every I'm here every Sunday getting crafty. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos that are coming up soon. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.